Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm going to talk about Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation, and as you guys already know, I'm in the shade Warm Beige, which is 05, and this is how the bottle looks like. As you can see, it has a glass bottle and you can even make out the shade from the bottle itself. Now it's a liquid foundation but it has a very thick consistency, but it is not very heavy on skin. It is a very lightweight foundation, which makes this foundation really great for summers, and even this does not gives you any flashback, so it's really perfect for bridal makeup as well. So now let's see what this foundation has to claim about. So it says it's a medium to full coverage, lightweight, oil-free formula, long wearing, water resistant and sweat proof foundation. Now honestly, whatever this foundation claims, it is absolutely true. Like, I have been trying this foundation from a week and more than a week now, and I can see this is a perfect foundation for oily skin type girls out there. Like, you just need to set your T-zone like what I have been doing, because I am extremely oily, and if you are a dry skin type, you can surely use this foundation with little oil or a serum. Even you can use this with a moisturizer. This is a very good foundation for everyday use as well. Like, I use this with little bit of moisturizer just because in day-to-day life I really don't want that much coverage, and it still gives me a nice coverage and it hides my blemishes, which is a very good thing about this foundation. Now you can use this foundation with both the tools like a beauty blender and even a buffing brush. Like, I always prefer my buffing brush and I always use my foundation, my concealer with this thing. But if you want to use a beauty blender, you can surely go with it. Now this foundation is very good for normal to oily skin, but then even if you have dry skin, you can still use this foundation because it's not very dewy and it's not very matte, because it is just in the middle. You can surely go and moisturize your face very well and you can apply this foundation. It's gonna give you a very nice finish and the coverage is very good. Like, it's a high coverage. It definitely hides all the blemishes, and it does for me. I do have little blemishes and it covers up really beautifully. And if you are dry skin, you really don't need to set this foundation much, but if you are oily skin, do set your T-zone, otherwise it's gonna look little shiny but you don't really feel oily, because this foundation is oil free, so whatever oil comes, it's from your skin. But yeah, if you have a normal skin, this is gonna be your best friend. So now this foundation retails for $13.25 and I got this from NYKAA. If you want to even check out the haul video, it's just in this eye. You can check out the haul video, and there are a lot of products which I have purchased. Even if you want to pick any product from there and ask me for a review, you can surely go ahead. And yeah, coming back to this foundation, it retails for $13.25, which is not like very expensive for this foundation. I think this amount is worth giving, and you just need to know the perfect shade for this foundation for your skin. Like, this foundation does not really oxidize like what I have seen, what I have been applying from past week or so. Like, this foundation does not really oxidize, which is a plus. Like, if you know your shade, it is perfect for you, but if you are not really sure about the foundation shade, you really need to do a little research on this. Now honestly, I wore this foundation for 14 long hours, like the entire day. Like, what I saw in 6 to 8 hours, the foundation was exactly same what I have applied. Like, after 10 to 11 hours, I saw little shine on my T-zone, just because I have a very oily T-zone. Like, I'm a combination to oily skin, so it shows on my T-zone, like especially on the nose, and mostly my foundation moves from my nose, but this was on its place till 10 hours, and which was just amazing. And I wore this for 14 hours as I told you, but yeah, when it was like 13 to 14 hours, I just saw little bit of shine. It was just my skin oil which came up, but other than that, this is a very beautiful foundation. It does not really have any oil, so It is perfect for all these skin type out there. If you really want to know from me, like, I highly recommend this foundation for each and every person out there. Like, I feel this foundation is such a perfect foundation for summer. It's a must have. So girls, just go and get it because I truly recommend this. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, I love you all. Mwah. Bye. Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image. And thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.